Hey value traders, the Japanese yen is still the weakest currency.
Valutrades.
I'm Brad Alexander, and in this week's Market Blast Technicals, let's take a look at CAD Swiss, Aussie dollar, Euro yen, and Pound yen. Overall, the Japanese yen is the weakest currency as its value has been sliding for months as the Bank of Japan refuses to raise rates. However, if we zoom in on various pairs, we are starting to see bearish technical patterns such as rising wedges on CAD yen and Swiss yen, and ascending triangles on Pound yen and Euro yen. If the Japanese yen is the weakest long-term currency, the Australian dollar is the weakest short-term currency, with values falling for 1 week now. In fact, we can see quite a few short opportunities. Price action on Aussie dollar has just reached the upper trend line, but wait for confirmation from your favorite technical indicators like the Stochastic Oscillator. We see the same situation on Aussie yen, but be aware of trading two weak currencies together. Aussie Swiss is also looking good as a sell trade, but price action may have already broken through the upper trend line. As well, wait for confirmation and a break below this key level. We promised to look at Canadian dollar pairs today, and we see strength as we pointed out yesterday. However, on CAD Swiss we see an ascending triangle. If we look at this daily chart, we see that price action is very close to this key level, so be careful with a long trade. On the short side, we need to see a break below this key level. Yesterday we looked at a pound dollar sell trade, but price action may have already broken through this upper trend line, so we need to reconfirm this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Valutrade Signals, and the link will be in this video's description below. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and register on the Valutrades website to get notifications on new content as it happens. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you next time. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.